graph the following system of inequalities. Here we have two variable inequalities, one of which is a quadratic inequality. We'll graph each of these inequalities, and then the solution region will correspond to the region of overlap of both of the inequalities. The first inequality, which is a quadratic inequality, is expressed in vertex form. We then can say that the vertex is at the point -1, 8. The a value is -1. This means that it opens downwards, but is congruent to the basic y equals x squared parabola. This means as we go over 1, we go down 1. Over 2, down 4. Over 3, down 9. And over 4, we go down by 16. We then draw our parabola. In this case, because the inequality symbol is less than or equal to, we draw a solid line for our parabola. Note that the inequality symbol being less than or equal to means that we would shade the region underneath this parabola. However, we could also pick a test point. I'll use the point 0, 0. Plugging this in, 0 less than or equal to negative 0 plus 1 all squared plus 8, which is equal to 7. 0 is, in fact, less than 7. This confirms then that we would shade the region underneath the parabola. Going on to the next inequality, here we have a linear inequality. This is given in slope-intercept form. This means that the y-intercept is equal to 3. The slope is equal to 1, which means as we move up 1 and right 1, we would get another point on the line. In this case, note that the inequality symbol is a greater than symbol. We therefore draw a line that is a dashed line. Again, notice the inequality in this case being a greater than. This means we would shade the region above this dashed line. However, again, we can pick a test point. I'm going to again pick the point 0, 0. 0 greater than 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. Note that this is not true as 0 is less than 3. We would therefore not shade the region containing this point. Again, this confirms that we will be shading the region above this dotted or dashed line. We therefore shade in the region below the parabola and above the dashed line, corresponding to this region shaded in between.